Okay, so this one we search a blender kit here. Search for chest. Now go for layout. Search for chest. So we select one of the chest. I select this one. Okay, so you need to do open, but you see actually it's only one object, right? It only have one, you see? Okay, so you cannot do opening if they are joined to one. So you need to separate the lid and the body. So you go to the edit mode. Okay, now you do the selections for your item. So you can just box them out. Okay, do all the selection and deselect them. This one is not the lid, so we deselect them. Okay. Okay. So this one, select them. This one deselect. So select this part. And this one. So inside. Okay, so now finish selection already. Okay, then you can right click, okay, to separate them. Separate selection. So now you close it. So still got one part that you forgot, right? So you still can select this part. Okay, right click, separate them. Separate selection. Okay, so now this one and this one, okay, you need to join them. Okay, you need to join these two. So go back to the object mode. You select these two, Control Z, or you can click object join. So join them and name it properly. Call it as a lid. Okay, so now you will have this lid already. So now you see when you do the rotation for this lid, okay, you do the rotation for this lid. Actually, sorry, this one, you see it cannot hit, the center point will be at here. So when you do opening, it will like this. This is not what we want. So we need to put the center point, or we call it as a pivot point. So to make it in the hinge edge here. Okay, you select this. Okay, you put it in your hinge here. Make it as a center. Okay, then remember to set the origin to your 3D cursor. Okay, so now you try to rotate again. See, it will open like this. Okay, if you access it, it will open like this. Okay.